Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find and select the settings. Now let's tap on the display, it should be on the third position, and as you can see, the very first option, status bar, let's tap on it. And at the very bottom of the list, we've got the battery percentage option, so let's enter. Here we've got the inside battery icon option marked, so inside the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the battery, but we can also choose do not show. After tapping on it, we've got only the battery icon, or we can tap on it again and tap on next to the battery icon. And as you can see, right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on status bar in your ALCATEL 3X 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.